The South Korea's National Assembly has voted overwhelmingly to pass an impeachment motion against Yoon over his imposition of martial law on December 3rd, suspending his presidential powers on Saturday. Following the impeachment vote, the country's constitutional court must begin processes to decide if the president should be removed from office or not. The authority to impeach a president is a rare and dramatic tool in South Korea's political arsenal. The current impeachment process marks the third time in the nation's history that a president has faced such proceedings. The first was in 2004 when President Roh Moo-hyun was impeached but later reinstated by the Constitutional Court. The second was in 2016 when President Park Geun-hye was impeached and subsequently removed from office over a corruption scandal. President Yoon's impeachment comes after his controversial declaration of martial law on December 3, 2024, a move many saw as a desperate attempt to cling to power. The National Assembly, dominated by the opposition, voted massively to impeach him, citing abuse of power and rebellion. The impeachment vote passed with at least 12 members of Yoon's ruling People Power Party joining in favor. Lee Jean, a spokesperson, told a news conference that the court will hold the first public hearing on December 27, after the court says justices met to discuss plans to review the impeachment. Lee added that the court has up to 6 months to reach a verdict on whether to remove Yoon from office or reinstate him. Yoon's presidential powers have been suspended and Prime Minister Han Duck-seo has stepped in as acting president. Acting President Han Duck-seo held a phone conversation with the outgoing U.S. President Joe Biden on Sunday and vowed to maintain and develop the alliance between the two nations. Critics claim that Yoon's martial law decree was an obvious power grab targeted at silencing his political opponent. His justification? A supposed threat from North Korea and anti-state forces within the country. However, many see this as a flimsy excuse, and the public outcry has been deafening. Hundreds of thousands of protesters have taken to the streets demanding Yoon's ouster and arrest. What does this mean for South Korea's political future? If the court rules against him, South Korea will need to hold a national election within 60 days to choose his successor. What do you think about Yoon's impeachment? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and hit the notification bell for more intriguing stories. Stay tuned for more updates as this story unfolds.